Next is your interval shift. So herein, we're going to change the expression itself. So we have f of x being integrated from a to b. And in place of f of x, we have f of a plus b minus x integrated from a to b. Right? Now, what does this mean? How does this look mathematically and graphically and all of that? How is that true? That was the first question I had when I saw that. So here I have x divided by x square plus 1. And here I have t divided by t square plus 1. They look the same. Expression wise, they look the same. But t over here is n plus start minus x. Right? That's what the theorem talks about. That's what the theorem talks about. I've done the same. The expression is the same, but in place of x, we have n plus start, that is the upper limit, lower limit minus x. Right? So let's look at this too graphically. Graph is this and the value 1.283. Remember this value. And graphically over here, it is not the same, is it not? Can you see that? It's not the same. But when it comes to area, you can see that 1.28. Instead of 3, it's 1. The difference is because of step and all of that. So on and so forth. There are quite a few things that will affect the result. So the point is, yes, graphically it's not the same, but in terms of value, it turns out to be the same. I'll show you the proof. Then it will make sense. The first thing is we will call t as a plus b minus x. And so we have the following expression: x is equal to a plus b minus t, first thing, and dx is equal to minus dt. Then for x, we have it to be equal to a, then not y, t will be equal to b. And for x is equal to, instead of x we have b, upper limit is that, t will be equal to a. Again, substitute and we'll get that. So your f of, or the expression, will become, now basically the RHS, or I can't call it as a RHS actually, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of b to a f of a plus b minus t. Sorry, in place of x we are putting t, right? This entire expression basically into minus dt. So minus dt. What happens to this negative? Yes, this will, as per one of your properties, it will flip, is it not? So this would be a to b f of a plus b minus t dt. Does it make sense? Okay, see, we got the same thing. And now finally, I'll change the variable. So I can use x in place of t, change of variable. So this property, we have seen all of this before. I would like to show that. So this is changing variable property. This is flipping the limit property. I have different names now, so I'm calling it with different names, but yeah, this again, these are not official names, by the way. So first thing, so whenever we flip the limits, we need to multiply with -1. Mathematically we saw that it's true, and that's what we have done over here. So this is because of property 1, and with property 0, change of variables is property 0, and we have this answer. Okay, I'll give an example so that it will make sense. Say 6 x square minus 4 dx. So this is same as, technically, not expression wise, mathematically, this integration as a result is the same as, in place of x I'm replacing with upper limit plus lower limit minus x the whole square, minus 4 is there, okay, brackets actually, dx. So that's your answer. Property. What answer?